Who not like when I say a Captain Crunch? Too much pork, upside down sex.
And every girl I get wild out tonight. Party in my house tonight.
Well, if she's up, in the night out tonight.
I have no Roger wild out tonight. Out the blue light, we try out devices. Well, I'm a sense then sign out tonight. Kiki, we go fly, go Dubai. Left girl with no wild out tonight. She make it shake like Kirk.
Ladies, do me a favor. Show me your favorite position. Your favorite position. Your favorite position.
Yeah, she like buckshot.
Every girl feel bend over in here, bend up.
Body no mad, you know, even say monster enhance. As I bleach out youth, I'm there to represent for Chef Young Media. I'm mad this body, so I say Chef Young Media, the man body thing them see them, but room.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The man can represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is Lucian Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media. Keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright. Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
If you're ready to party, you're ready to dance, you're ready to take the party to another level, I need you the guys to get your phones out and get ready, all right? Don't forget, October the 26th, a thing called Seductive Lady Illy birthday party. It's a brilliant look. Also, my birthday featuring my brother from Kingston, Jamaica, Chris Gale, the Universe Boss. He will be hosting my party, all right? So November the 15th. But before we reach all of that, I say something, my brother. An international celebrities inside the building. Oh.
No, I just want to remember the people themselves and make sure and pull up an illy party next week. Saturday, come here, I did it and I'm a button up. I know I'm not really go button up. It have to be serious, so I go button up. So watch another dog. Big up Lady Illy. She one of the bad hosts them. She promote her thing. So you know, this Saturday, everybody just roll up, pull up. Yeah, and then the next Saturday we there, this Saturday we there, the next Saturday next week. A Lady Illy Saturday. Who not like when I say a Captain Crunch? Too much pork, upside down sex. They gotta talk.
That is it. Illy Billy, you say something?
Kevin Image, big up on your earth strong. Big up to all Libra in the building. Now Libra in the building. We are give a prize for all Libra. Any Libra in the building? All of a sudden your hand gone up. Big up to all the Scorpios in the building. Right there, sir. 9X Nation, my co-host, alongside Linky Links, the celebrity host, right here, right now, on the 1s and 2s. Last call at the bar, people. So make sure you go get an alcohol, on a beverage, and just hold a spot. Because as me say, it's gonna be epic. Right here, right now, on the 1s and 3s. We're talking about Canada Landmark. We're talking about DJ Tyrone. We're talking about Chip.
Rascal, Chippy Don and DJ Flip. Canada Landmark, David.
Yo. First and foremost, I want to say good night. Big up to all my ladies in the place. Big up to all who just check in. I just want to let you all know one of the worst things in one show. Like, seriously. You know when the artists reach and they can't find that spot like right here, you get fucking night here. So I gotta beg the girl them, draw on a table them and come closer, cause after me done play a show time. So, ladies, if you know you're cute and your friends them cute, just draw a little closer to the stage, okay? Don't be too shy and hide up in the dark. And the people them out there up there, so, on the forward around there, so to here. Cause we are gonna wake up in here now. Artists them when they're ready for sit down. So make we enjoy ourselves tonight. This is Narcos. A big up to all my ladies in the place right now. Ladies, I want to play a song for you first before I get into it. Play.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you.
Wanna wake up around here now, yeah?
Every day and every
round your son, wanna wake up.
We'll be together.
Time for party now. Time for enjoy ourselves.
With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter.
Be up to all my beautiful ladies in the place tonight.
Of my single bed.
Yeah.
We'll share the same room.
Wake up in here a little bit. Don't watch the crowd.
Would ya provide?
Oh, no singing here. Is this
love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Tyrone, play next song there for me now.
They say the sun and I shine for all.
Everybody will love reggae music. Put the two of them in our ear right now. Make a rock in a little bit now. Make a rock in a little bit. Everybody wake up, wake up, wake up.
These roads of flames are catching a fire.
Be up to our beautiful ladies in the place tonight. If you're ready for see the artists, get yourself together. Come closer to the stage. Oh! When they make us so then again, that then we see that everyone for me. Look, big up that big woman there right there, so I can't tell you something. Can't tell you something. Where do you go? Don't you need my love,
baby? Why don't you come on and let us play?
Hold on. Round there, so up there, so to sing that. Look, all man will love vagina, but some million blank cover head in there. Make a turn up in there, no man. No, wake up, wanna sing. What?
Dry cry, even tears.
Even
my heart cry, but who cares?
What it make us on there now? Jump in that Tyrone. Watch out! Oh, now who you think I am? Now who you want me to be? Look, every man will have a woman beside you. Every man will love their woman. Bust a blank for your woman. Sing to her. Baby, there's a we're two the princess right up. What make her talk on, let me. What's in there, Tyrone? Show.
I wear the good Lord splits you.
Watch out. You say you love me and you care,
but you never then near. You're always on the run. Now tell me this, why we can't spend no quality time? Kick back and just unwind. You always have something to do. That simple mean that love you're not true, cause only when you want to me hear you shout I love you.
Hold on.
Tell me where all the passion gone.
When me say all of it, when me say tell me when it's
all of the tenderness.
Ladies, if your mouth smell clean, me want you sing that part for me, ready? When me say tell me if. Sing again. All my beautiful ladies, put your hands in our ear. Sing that song, yeah. Every time I think of saying goodbye, what? Everything inside me says it's a Tyrone, juggle in here for them, man. He's the one. What they make us so then again, and then we sing and we say, look, ladies, if you're stress-free, you don't have no man stress, put up your hand now here. Sing that song here for me. You ready? Come. Turn it up now. Engineer, turn on the sound in here, you know. Make the people that wake up in here. Make the people that wake up in here. Who no sing in here? What?
No.
Tyrone, man, them sing. Who remember them song, yeah? Ladies, who remember them song, yeah? When you say talk to you, but it's not the same. Oh, no, oh.
That's what you do.
Watch out!
And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run.
Everybody just rocking there, no warm up, drink a juice, sip your liquor, you ready? Oh, no sing.
We'll be together.
Louder than that, no man, I want to know. And it won't be. Why? What about cuz? Ladies, can you sing for me? Baby, cause I'm... I see if you remember some song around here now. Ladies, and the boy cheap on you one time, don't make him cheap on you again. Tell him.
I would have given you all my heart, but there is someone who tore it apart, and she has taken almost all that I've got.
Wait, and if you wanna try to love again, oh no, wake up in here, man, wake up.
Baby, you can't turn a key.
Ladies, sing this part for me, sing it for me, you ready? Come.
The first cut break my heart. I still love you. And I always will.
Oh no, no, that one there, oh no, sing.
Sorry. It's
My princess.
Sing now, man. Don't play, hold on. And she left me a note saying she's going to.
Anytime you need
Narcos this. Be up to all my beautiful ladies in here. Ladies, if you came with your pretty friend tonight, say true. Ladies, if you got good credit, say true. Be up my ladies who know say you have good edges. I like girls with good edges. Ladies, if you have good edges, put your hands in the air right now. Let me see the girls with the good edges. 1 good edge. 2 good edge. 3 good edge. 4 good edge. Put up your hand, man, if you have good edges. You have good edges? Ain't nobody going like a dancehall party this, you know, and I lean up on table thing, you know. Good edges girls have to enjoy themselves in real life. Buddy, I can't talk to you and your friend, them, you know, because them too miserable for me. I want a girl I don't know. Hey, I can't play a song for you. Oh, no, sing what? She does it.
right.
She
Got
does it.
something to hide. I think she won't cry.
Ladies, I want you to sing this song for me. Ladies, sing this song for me. This is what I keep telling her. Tyrone, soon! Ladies, if you have good pussy principle, we have got now here. Sing. Says she birth with that boy. She have.
and bling, so she go dead with him.
Why?
Catch disease, now it started spreading. She start to seek penicillin. She's
Why you say? Mercy.
for life she begging. When she hears her to the mark, she heading.
Why?
Says she broke out at the age of 7. She dancing before she reached 11.
One man can satisfy her. She needs more wood for the fire. Lord, Ship, that is my name. I'm a selector. Baby girl, I can tell you something.
Yeah, it's not the first, not the last. So much pretty girl I pass. And holding out is such a task. That's why me I said this from me heart.
Sing. If you have a phone light, put up your phone light now here if you miss somebody. For somebody. If you have a phone light, put up your phone light in here.
Hurry up and come back. Wants to to her son.
Turn on the phone light.
The day his life was taken.
Watch out.
She didn't know he wouldn't come back. He died from the bullet of a gun. And now we're
everybody turn on the phone light. Sing now, man. And she looked up to the sing. When you level, we're not here to have no boring vibe. We're not here to fucking sit down and watch people. everybody who in here right now will buy a buckle, have your money, you have good credit in Canada, you come for enjoy yourself, put up your cup in the ear. I can't play the rhythm here. I tell them something, I wake up in here. Someone wants to sing with me, you ready? Alright, come back and sing. Well, this is what the gangster life is. Roll out in there, me range and more. When Mr. Atty said a girl them pussy, every time you can bust a black in a ear, cause a bad word, tell them about that, oh. So
I can't stop. Return a pay.
everybody we are drink something right now, put a cup in the ear. What tell them pussy them well?
This is what the gangster life is like.
Roll out in a me range and more.
Time me ride my bike. I tested I got it to fly.
Every proud Jamaican cause a bad word in this blood clean. What tell them?
Mother who? What up in who fi frighten? Make them try. Jungle Jesus strike them with light.
What have a problem talk do? Any cartel funds in here? Any cartel funds in here? Anybody from Portmore, Spanish Town? Lola St. Catherine, bust a black in our ear. Tell them that man can keep me, don't know them up here.
Steven, yo, too damn evil. Me nah no change, so me grow, so me grow. Me no go below, so me grow, so me grow. Foreigners if you never know.
Every time you can put a good thing in our ear. But my skin, me and the matty man, me own this and that. Oh, no sing.
Love the pussy, but we never mind. We just say that God the papers of the right.
What me say one?
Yes,
2, 1, 2, 3, so.
Me bust me gun them whenever me like. Any blood clot at the morning when them a walk.
I am glad don't get nervous show on my computer, you know. Yeah. Don't get nervous show it's my computer. I be bad people here, you know. Yo, 9X.
Devil's advocate, Stephen Arch Evil. Great reward. Rise everybody in your sight. All them boy they a move so.
Lord, everybody will love your friend beside you. Go on for your friend. Tell the people them say. When me say we know. Why?
I understand the concept.
Lord, me a look in here. The man will love vagina. Must have black in here now.
Yeah. Come from a house a tiny tot. The girl them find me hot.
Me say, all man will love vagina in here. Bust a blank. I mean, no see no man bust no blank. I'm an old school Jamaican. I don't deal with batty boy. All who agree with me go in here. No.
Ready up now, Stephen. Take them to a next level of evil. I dead them dead. It's gonna be blind.
I want them boss.
Ball, mama, ball.
Watch out, mama.
Lockdown right on. Gunshot from
all who know love your friend on the battlefield. Yo, Jeffrey, I
wet them up like a tsunami. And where the blood clot is.
Before them see our sound, boy run out of town.
Run there, so walk on. Upstairs. Wanna run there, so. Run there, so. Everybody must have got a here. Sing. Shut up and bleach with.
We bleach with
Watch it now. Watch it. Everybody just bumps in there. Everybody just bumps. 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 When they dance, when they have a lock, you could have run.
3 o'clock in the morning when them a walk up and down with them tall thing. We have them woman for we cocky head.
What we tell them? We not look for boy
night. Hey, man. Sponsor me walk with.
Big up the gangster in that place. Ladies. Big up the ladies who are single. All my single ladies must have blank for me, please. Ladies, if you're taking, big up yourself. But listen to me and listen to my God. You see, anytime a boy fuck by you, don't fuck on him back. Take the license plate off for him car. Make sure him don't go nowhere. That's your man. You don't fight. Listen, you need to fight for what's yours. Yeah, some girls say them not fight over no man. Me no blame you no. Me no blame you no. All my independent ladies said true.
Scram them. I want to hear about. I want to hear about.
The girl I'm know you not fight over no man. Walk out that nigga. Walk in that nigga. Come. You say.
Girl, me no fight
walk in that nigga now. Walk in that nigga. Walk in that nigga now. What the lot of the girl say?
Hot gal no mix with no Ronnie gal.
Low. Ladies, if you're not out, no fuck out friend. Hug your friend and say I love you, bitch. Turn up the song, yeah. Turn up the song, come.
Galangi gal because you know your body good.
Why?
Fi wear a shoes, you know you're not so
good. What they make us on there now?
Fi have your face, you know them wish they good. Try everything all around.
Tyrone son.
So tell a gal say come out of your way. Cause you are good as in a deal.
Ladies, if you don't have arthritis, just touch a big toe. They no man touch a big toe. Walk out with your friend. Come now, buddy. Yeah, back, blood clean back.
Whatever.
What a good ass girl like that.
I wonder where some gyal a study round here.
Why?
See them argue over man.
What them messing at me said?
She don't worry about when next gyal a wear and us. She said they need to do them here. The kind of life we see them living round here. Sometimes I'm sorry for this.
Ladies, if you go cook a good Sunday dinner, put your hands in our ear. The girl I'm not poison no boy. Sing.
Man, I the least of my problem.
Sing.
Me too cute for mix up and blend. So tell her. Me stress free cause me know in a excitement. Them give a free.
Look. Ladies, if you're not fight for no man, you fight for your education. Put up your hand here. You can't sing the part. Sing now.
Me too.
The girl with the active cell phone. Turn on the cell phone. Turn on the snap.
From you know say you act from your man. From your lot and turn it on. From you know.
Ladies, if you have an active cell phone, turn on the snap.
Turn it on. You know come on and big things are gone. Hold up the cellular and turn it on. From you know you're cuter than Sean. Turn it on.
And you get
after you the reggae. From your house to the show me the cellular. Comfortable cause your boyfriend hustler. Girl check out and wine.
Watch out, man. Level. Ladies, if you have cute kids, pat your vagina and say, I thank you.
Pick me now, old man again.
What in our?
Stiff titty now, old man again.
What in our?
Get your money now, old man again.
What in our? What in our?
Tell them say I could do all I do, girl I could do all I do. Pass a girl I want me know I could do all I do.
Because the girl tell the people that man can't defend yourself. Bust a blank in here, tell them it.
Hey, city selector, I tell you walk out.
Listen to me. I take friendship serious. You see, if you're my friend, and we get in one fight, and we get in a fight with the ops, me I go fight with you. You see, if you go to jail, me I go to jail too. Nobody can box my friend. I'm gonna talk about me see you later, or should I me? Every girl in there will love your friend beside you. Give your friend a hug, say I love you, bitch. No, I can't hear you. Ladies, if you love your friend beside you, hug your friend right now and say, I love you, bitch. Ladies, if your friend now left you up on the battlefield, bust a blank for your friend. The girl I'ma love your friend, bust a blank and tell your friend now.
Me have couple dog, me know that ain't for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family,
what's that media?
I feel protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, when I'm a brother, then you want for free.
Tyrone, turn on the filter, make them sing. That is a way upon a call. When we say on mark yard, drive up, pull up on foot, boys spread on like saying there, yard, then I run like. What that we are gonna have, we are gonna have. Disrespect you, you must say man, that I got on in there. What who winner? Hey, what's in there, what's in there?
Put you load from in on the dollar.
Anyway, you see Chippy Don, I hear about Canada Landmark, you know we're gonna fucking wake up this place. Real shit. Ladies, I got a story to tell. I don't really like telling this story, but I tell this story because this story is kind of funny to me. One time, God, we used to talk to one light-skinned girl. And the light-skinned girl fucked on me. Months later, she called me back, she said, babe, let's talk this out. I said, I can't talk it out with you, not today. You see, everything when I buy you, I take with half of it. And I buy your fan, I take with the blade. And I buy your fridge, I take with the motor. And I buy your car, I take the windshield wiper them off. I hope say it rain and she crash. You lose the car, big pussy girl. The last time, I swear to God, no joke. The last time she called me, and she really wanted to work it out, I thought about it. I said, baby, just give me a day. Give me a 1 day. She said, okay, babe, call me back tomorrow. I said, I call her the next day. I said, babe, I come check you right now. You see, as soon as I jump out the car and she run out, and she said, oh my God, I missed you. I just shut her box. She said, why your box, my mom? I said, big head girl.
Can't stay, let's stay. Every quarter I stay in that book. Girl, I mean you can't tie in that hook. From a day I be a bad thing. Every girl is in that bus, I'm not killing you. Tell her no man. Hey, girl,
Play again now, play again. Blood clot to them. I want Chippy Don. Landmark. Flare, big up anyway.
Can't stay, let's stay. Every quarter I stay in that book. Girl, I mean you can't tie in that hook. From a day I be a vibe, say a push. Says I tell her. Hey girl, you can't style me, my mama. No man, find happiness, enjoy it. Things don't work out. Oh, no, sing it, no. No fool, no need.
Hush, hush. Ladies, if you have 2 boyfriends, nothing wrong. If you have 3, still nothing wrong with that. 1 personal man, 1 man will drive you around, and the next one don't wear 3 underpants good. Nothing wrong with it. Live your life for you. Ladies, if you know your life happy, put up your hand here. Tell her. We can't play one next gen CFO, no?
Oh. Yeah. Me and date 2 people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing 2 sides at the same time. Might end up in some problems, but I don't cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it wrong. If you try to stop me from doing what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. You know, say it might sound crazy, but I'm a big guy, you share me. You are know me, man.
Ladies, tell you something. Don't make no boy control your life. If that nigga say you can't go outside, go the fuck outside. I wanna reach back in the house and you push a key to your door and them cuss you just tell him. You just tell him.
You can't tell me where fi do, where fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me and a fan and you do what me want.
Ladies, sing for me.
Me nah itch up on house position, so no boy can't try. Rebel from day one. Real bad girl, so no boy can't try program me. Me no need donation. Autonomous, can't try come program me. Now me never go a war for me, sit down in a
ladies, what you calling?
Shenyang if you ma track your business. Too insecure that you.
All my single ladies, put your hands in the air for me right now. All my single ladies, put up your hand. Play that song that Tyrone. Where my single girl left there? Me about my single ladies. Single ladies, put your hands in the air for me. Wanna sing that man? Run that song.
Call me in, then they come and now fuck you good. Better you.
Big body, what's up?
One fucking landmark. Iron Claw, big up yourself. You know, we're outside. Ladies, I'm not telling a lie, that big body song, them, I hate it. Cause a lot of you girls singing to your fucking vibrator. Are you deal low? Fuck off. Yeah. Your dead low can't give you no picnic. They luck can't get no picnic go there. Big up the girl that like cocky in your wall. The girl that love cocky say cocky. See one girl say big cocky. Or the blood clot this. Oi! Anybody has kids in here? All who have kids, put up your hand here. Let me see what I go on. A daughter, a son, you love your kids them. Put up your hand here. May I look? All who have kids and love your kids them. Put up your hand here. Let me tell you something. You see if you wear Gucci, pitney them off in a Gucci too. You see if you're there in a car, make your pitney them have cars. You see if you buy a house, make your pitney them get houses. Everybody will love your youth them. Bust a blank for your youth. Now, turn on a song here. Look at tall, look at brother. One time God used to wear one shoe. See me here now.
Hey man, I live fiesta. Oh, tada.
Everybody, if you live your life, you have good credit in here.
Hey man, I live fiesta. Oh, tada. Mount a Gucci, Mount a Prada. Me pull up on the big girl, Mount a water. Sorry that this me just came out your daughter.
Tyrone, I want you to tease a song for me. You can't tease a song for me. Tyrone, I want you to tease a song for me. Mix the song now. Mix the song now.
Blood big green. Blood clot in the chart, the top of heart, bro. Light them out, pussy on the sugar. Oh no, we can't.
Yo, me I go put on the talker phone and go run that so. You see me not get no forward in there. Now go me here.
Stop it capping. More lost in a yard of foreign. Get it done solid. Top cap of them, I see a top cap of them. Now below us and them can't buy your bed. I them all. With them friend things, with them friend with people, I'm not a link. Them pussy na no.
Well, I said, people, are you ready? Well, if I force you on a like way, outside. So, a time now? Let me know on a time, you know. I don't want to overdo it. I'm working very hard. Listen, is there any Trinis in here right now? Guyanese, Bajan, Barbados people, Bahamians. Big up anybody from Antigua. What am I forget about? St. Martin, St. Vincent. I'm going to see what I go on. Enough for not show off. All proud Jamaican boss a blank in our ear now. Play that song at Tyrone. Every proud Jamaican put up your gun on like this. Put up your gun on like this. All who love Jamaica, gassa, 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 gassa. Every Jamaican in there. Say your man from which? Turn it up now.
Chinese wise, so the clip tall. Show it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a disguise, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. You know walk up a kilo, me not just a sing song. To the people, your mother tell you keep fan. Z-Tech full of band like this.
Why? When you say
if you in the tight, come in the enemy, then I feel and you know they're sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody kind.
All who proud of where you come from, bust a million blank in our ear now.
Make them have a XP.
Everybody we're proud of where you come from. Wanna sing the part aloud?
And tell a pussy where.
Yeah? I left my friends to hand. Yeah? They're not my friend. So when you're keeping me, who me I go after my friend? Yes, I'm going to protect my friend. So, like all four.
Good man!
Who can diss my dog and survive? Make talk and few Glock no rise. Barrel no empty, so we now make no noise.
Let's go suck your man, I'm in them with the bump polite.
Fighter 15 and Draco. Who call in for radio? Nothing can save you. Violate the dog.
Engineer, turn on the sound, you tell them. I put a 10 of them. Right from fire.
One mother can never stop. Love me back. Pretty mommy, don't worry, my wife will pack it up. Make me happy whenever you cock it up. In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You and the pussy, me have to go down me jump. And the guy, see, I got me like I no mommy. We pretty finish, you want me for you. And drop it pussy, if it down me up. More you bubble and bubble and bubble up. So me book it very hard.
Tyrone, don't mix it. Anybody have a Samsung phone? Turn on the Samsung phone right now for me, please. I need to see Samsung phone lights. No, phone light. Turn on the phone light. Samsung phone light. Nobody know no Samsung phone in here. All right, me say 1 Samsung, 2 Samsung, 3 Samsung, 4 Samsung. No Samsung no over here, sir. 5 Samsung, 6 Samsung, 7 Samsung. Don't play yet. Don't play yet. If you have a Samsung phone, I'm sorry to say, but you are back at the time. You are a gruff. All over iPhone, turn on the iPhone light in here. Turn on the iPhone light in here. All over iPhone in here. Turn on the iPhone light in here. Turn on the iPhone light in here. Wanna jump on the phone in here. Wanna jump on the phone. 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 iPhone light. We have the iPhone light in here. What? I'm in the light. The boss light. Turn on the phone like them in here. Oh no, we have that. I'm in the shut it around, fuck up on quad. Quad, we a fuck up on quad. Get around for the synergy, they make it pan class. Travel with a duffel bag, no one ever bank yard. Bad bitch pop pill, done sort one car. Junk your fuck away the Benz Cooper. Me a drift shag, I go to side fantasy. Drink and walk up. Tennessee, I'm a liver, 30 perks. You know the other day, my boy, I like oh, and that's how you go. Alright, watch out. Everybody will love your friend. No, box to your friend. Box to your friend in there. Everybody box to your friend. Everybody will love your friend. Tell a friend no.
Dunce fucking fool. We gotta get wild out tonight. Party in my house tonight.
Well, if she's up, in the night out tonight.
You have to know Roger wild out tonight. Out the blue light, try out devices. Well, I'm a sense they sign out tonight. Kiki, we go fly, go Dubai. Left girl with no wild out tonight. She will make it shake like Kirk.
Ladies, do me a favor. Show me your favorite position. Your favorite position. Your favorite position.
Yeah, she like buckshot.
Every girl feel bend over in here, bend up. Big up the girl of a smoke and drink, eh? You can't tell us something.
Papa, pizza, pilla, liquor, killer, tell him bar, swing, syrup, pana, rascla, pilla, spliffia, fida. Lord, mama says she can't hear it, son. Your body need to your bumper run. Turn your bumper run, getting mad for me now. Head top for me now. Let your back sit down and rock for me now. Catch your foot in the ear, get flat for me now. Heart your back and make it clap for me now. Mad for me now, head top for me now. Let your back sit down and
After the show, it's after party then. After the party, it's hotel lobby then. After the NSC, we burn a one split. And I fuck up with my number, girl, I forget it. Yes, ma'am, back it up, the kid that money you spend. All of my team, they just show the whole of your friend. Matter like no signal to me, sending back on 10. While everybody you show 3 of us, them all think keep your enemy there. Swing your one from left to right, me know this I go mad there. Beat them like a whipping on me and me now look my friend. Off of them, they hear a talk when them see we them now they nothing. Booms, hop, make sure you swing your one there. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. Happy I live for life, I make money, we not a problem. Come on, that's what I make, I say them bad, we now look at them. Booms. So you feel
no bunks. Alright, me I go to 90s style. You know the 90s style, yeah? You ready? You ready?
New style, style, and style can't spoil. All girls them jump and jump up for a while. Watch this. Oh my God. You hear new style, you dance and live.
We put your one in the air, then you rock to the beat and then you
move to the drum and make.
You ready now? You ready now? Well, everybody had a new style.
The one place I do. Rap over dance some music sweet you. Bogle around the place night and day. So just
1, 2, 3. You ready?
After no so bogle stay. She can't do it, come on, she a rock.
What the niggas on the beat?
Me love how the girl love.
Tyrone, jump in there, man. What me sing, sir?
My dogs, set rules, set laws. We represent for the lords of
everybody,
yards.
Everybody, go, sir. From them a drinking a chichimamba. There's the fire, make we burn it. Blood color. Using the dicey. Really doing that. For them a freak, them a carry on the body.
them want war with the wrong set of clothes. Them got this man from Miami, man from over New York, London, but and them not pet no boy.
All on our part, no fist, boss a black in here now.
Tell them. I am not afraid.
Me press trigger, me no press people.
Easy. Security, I want to come bring around here. Yo, what am I trying to do to me, sweet Dan? Tired the fuck. But we're outside. We got the people that are there. Ladies, I want to play a little game with y'all. It's called Point at the Friend. Ladies, I need you to point at the friend that drinks the most when she goes to a party. That's the one? All right. Point at the friend that takes long to get fucking ready. It look like you are the guilty one. Point at the friend with the fattest ass. Jesus Christ. Point at the friend that always comes out, is always on some fuckery. I see? It look like you too. It look like you too. Ladies, point at the friend with the cutest edges. The one I was supposed to point off like one another. You're not wicked. I don't like you know. Ladies, if your friend cute, look at your friend right now and say, I love you, bitch, you look cute. Ladies, if you love your friend, look at your friend right now and you're proud of your friend, say, I'm proud of you. Ladies, if you celebrating a birthday with a friend, look at your friend right now and say, happy birthday. Shout out my Libras, my Scorpios in the place right now. Ladies, if you ain't making your friend fight over a man, bust a blank for your friend right now. Ladies, I always tell you this, do not listen to your fuck out friend them, don't make them give advice. Here? If you take the people and man, make sure you know if you defend yourself. No girl can approach you, why?
No girl can see me and cause problem. Them a man come for me walk on them. You know love chat out me, I want them. Tell them this a real Shen Yang anthem. No girl can see me and start problem. Them a man come for me walk on them. Me no.
Ladies, if you love your friend, walk out with your friend now. Walk with your friend.
Now fight no girl over no man, me no eat.
Why?
If keep that. Them a visit me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I she that. Yeah. If a girl touch me, me nah say me nah me that. But if me a take your man, me a keep that. She a visit me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I she that.
Is it? I know everybody run a reel. Watch your pussy there. Them a cap while you dead. Them a pussy friends. No matter what you do, them say you never do for them.
I don't know about real pussy friend.
Me no want none of them pussy that for real me. I be a bad mind thing I go on lately. Me body be bad at the style, move shake it. No a long time, them a pre-man need. When you did broke, you and everybody alright. Start make little money, now I be a fight. The same motor you a feed, give you be a bar. Them friendship a say you
I don't deal with friends. The last 3 letters in friend is N. No one a friend around me. Everybody we know say you love somebody, you call them a brother or sister. Put up your hand here. Sing that song here for them now.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, cuz.
Oh, no, sing for them. Why?
If I want it, me hate a friend killer.
Me don't believe in a friend killer. Oh, no, sing for your friend.
I me say family.
Tyrone, feel that. Me wouldn't dare one of them. Me real better than them. And them don't know when. Sing, I wanna know when. Everybody, if you read the friend there, sing for the friend there. And I'll know a man make it now. I me know all of the pussy them. Now make them. Life are the greatest thing, dog. Be up every Jamaica in here. Anybody come from Westmoreland, Portland, Kingston, St. Mary, St. Elizabeth, St. Thomas. Anybody from St. Catherine? All people from St. Catherine, Mobia, Bossa Blanc in our ear.
They've got the thing going on.
The whole of Portmore and the whole of St. James. Remember we when we're gone, we live forever.
Run us up.
Salt Spring.
Yeah, shop that.
Everybody in Canada, if you have good credit, must have black in our ear. Tell them, all over credit card, all over credit card, boy. Put up your eye on the signal. Salt Spring,
we not.
Spot. Where's CM with me? Hey, shoot now.
Them coward like that. Never yet get a charge. So how you bar? Them only bad fi make car, fi make front car. Why you nah no half it we done a tar? Banga mana banga, banga mana banga mana banga. Roll dog, load up your fire shot, enough gun powder you.
Them want know when me have a knock, ken crocodile came on a bus. Make it light up your life like pepper light like Christmas or tomorrow. Kissing, rock and back out a beam in a gut. Then you shoulda name cave time fly a bag of bat. I know say Russian a link up against side and your mother.
Can I ask every Jamaican this? What is Jamaica's national bad word? The whole of one wrong. Tyrone, shoot!
You talk your mother with no big friend boy. All of them a dead boy, but I rise up it a rust. Me send for the whole of man dead bug. Anyway me hold them boy I get to attack. But yo my tough I can watch out and wait for me for show. Man on the pussy I wanna look. But more, bumbo, you're coast street. Dead boy them.
Everybody run for walking ya. We made the game sing. I do not get beat up on your yard. No girl can come in yard and this year. Bust a blank in her ear, no. If a girl come in yard, you pick up all kind of knife, you tell her straight.
Them now run them black. Pull up them off a run left back. 9 ball inna the click come back. The dark like clear so me fly.
Oh no sing. Bally get map. 17, 17, no daddy. Eh? Stage show, man, I want to you. House. Let me do a little Yankee way. What's this? All my pretty ladies in there, put your hands up. All my pretty ladies in there, put your hands up. All my pretty ladies, hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Wave to the sky. Let's go.
Last night I saw you standing and I started pretending I knew me too.
Ladies, sing this shit for me.
And just like a moment, you were too shy.
Sing.
But you weren't the only cause.
Ladies, sing this shit. Louder. I can't hear you. Sing. Sing. Tyrone, play the last song for me, please.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words.
I does this shit different. Anytime,
Killing me
any hour.
softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song.
Telling
my whole
ladies, if your mouth is clean, I need you to sing this part for me. You ready? Are you ready? All right, 1.
With his song.
2, 3. Ladies, sing this to me. Turn it up. When they push it down your oar, where your ball and say?
Fuck me, baby. Fuck me, baby. La, 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 la. 9X Nation. Which one now no woman telling the man to kiss me, baby? Make we talk to you and go in the bedroom. No, they never telling the man to fuck me, baby. We never call on the man Zaddy or Daddy. Jaja. Nation. We are at Narcos All Black, Canada 2024. Oh, the party nice and it not start yet.
Oh.
You know we have Vanessa Bling. What we say? Yeah. One man. How much I only have two man?
Lady, them silent a while ago. All of the girls them in here with one man. I'm hearing a scream no man. That scream the weak no bum buckler. All of the girls them with one man on a scream no man. That is it.
Them a liar. All the women them know so now have two man and them know about them one and that scream.
Then lady, I saw them bad. All me just go down and St. Mary for them. When I'm done with them rib it like a frog on the toe. Wicked. You see some of the girl who have 6-7 man kawa. I never bash it. Because I have round robin for pay, rent for pay, light bill for pay, all type of things for pay. Have as much man as you know want. Let fuck be free. Don't hear lady.
And nation. We could talk about the man them now. The man them will have 5 girl and 6 girl. One to the man them we have fuck all 3 friends in a one crew.
Wait, lady, I move like an informer at the dance right now. We not touch that part there. That lady, right now, 9X Station, the Panagon lady, Ilya try out to thing like Kangle in the wind. So you know what I have to say? Hi, ladies! The party just a get started. Right now, we have a bad dancer. She go on with a bag of Ilya. Feel like you want to warm up that something, huh?
She'll be performing. I can't try.
People don't feel like Illy can't go out with something upon that something, yeah?
But you want me to try a thing?
The heels come off. Play something for Lady Illy get warm. Because we are warm up the rascal pool. Play something quick and fast. This is Lady Illy. Selector, don't fuck up. You know what that song is, Illy? Right now, I have Illy half key now. What is now play? Like some electro music this.
I'm looking for a partner. Someone who knows how to ride.
Stop it. Because right now, Illy vex. But when I bring out the dancer, because them piss off Illy, them fuck up. And our fault, me that make Illy warm it for now. Right now, we bring out a dancer. She travel from far. She named Strawberry. Bad temper. Strawberry. Short temper Strawberry. But them not play the music yet, people. People, them just sort out the thing. You know, technical difficulties sometimes. It's a man-made. In that moment here, look how I'm clean. I have a big up Vision Looks. It's a Toronto young entrepreneur. I want to support her, follow her Instagram. She give me some free clothes. Nobody never give me nothing free yet. So I thank you. Vision Looks. When you run over there, so buy them good something here. I don't know if that look good for everybody, but just try that something there. You hear that? Money promo, big up yourself, you know. Kevin Image, remember you're earth strong, big up yourself. A champagne pan champagne you go. Big up every promoter in the building. Shansome. Oh, that's something they look. Hot, you know. We are run with it. Over here, so Wagwan. The promoter over here saying at the place. Or the one here screw up him face. Fenton, remember my bad for true. Don't fuck up. You might keep a thing near Mint. November the 22nd. Buckle pan buckle. You know, big up that thing there. Big head. One in the head, you know. Damian Gully, what you keep a big show. It's a good look like what I do for Toronto. Wagwan, who else there? Who have no party I keep? Who want to the thing big up?
Because right now we have to keep the thing flowing. Because guess what? The thing can't cool up. What you have over here, sir? What you have? NEC and Lollipop. I like that party there. It sound kind of kinky. I have to big up Brilliant 45. You know, Link's birthday that. And then a normal thing. People are man in Ghana, Jamaica. I get the international bookings. I wonder what that meant me. Right now, strawberry. 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 Short temper for the people them. Bounce belly, break it down, shake it up, break it down, left foot down, break it down, you just break it down, you just break it down, bend your back, break it down, wind your waist, break it down, shake your foot, break it down, you just break it down, you just. Cause the other day me book a sexy girl, she want me pick her femme petal, me say alright, we do it all night, I know she in a hospital, them say her status critical, she say I'm mash up our time, because the way me move them girl they flipping the wicked, so the girl them must say Bensley hype, you better kick it, keep it, so stick it, so when me turn around and start it to keep it, so yo it had it, boom cha, so shut up your mouth and take this flipping, stick in your wicked, you claim say you can dance, but now you're flipping, twist it and no,
Linky links, link up.
sorry me twist it and only slide down my play them rhythm, so we kick up, bounce belly, break it down, shake it up, break it down, right leg now, break it down, you just break it down, you just break it down,
bubble for me, girl, bubble for me. Take your time and bubble for me. Pass the back with your hand for your knee. Yeah, that. Every girl want wine pan cocky for your happy ending. She want to beef up with her knees bending. Girl a pop the pop your pending. She pretending. The girl say she want step forward. In her bum buckle, she want go up here just to sit down and touch. She want lick a bit of this and lick a bit of that. You know she not ask too much. She say she love yardy. Cause we article be full of vibes. Plus you know we talk to girl. I'm a steady like a funeral.
Turn up the speaker. Bad. She little and mad, wicked and mad. She say she come from little London. She in your belly, give your mama dance on. She take your fuck me now if you can't come. She little and mad, wicked and mad. She say she come from New Hampshire. She in your belly, give your mama dance on. She take your fuck me now if you can't see the whole type that make you go answer. Live your life, she fuck you want. To your head, mad that make me want ya. Anyway, you give me with my car. Badness. I love my bitch, my favorite.
Link
She knows that I'm not taken. Had to barrel like a spin and a spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hold me and dig out that. Girl you pum tight like a 10-1 flat. Hosanna, she Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get up back. But I hit down flat. When she come for fuck you can't black that. She a quint it up, man I stop up. She love the fuck, she want hot box. She run the fuck, love her back shot. I come that run them past standards. So she want, she love bad man. I'ma love my bitch, them from London. I love Hosanna. Stop wine by your friend now, wine by me now. You know like how man cock it up. That tight pussy that you gonna lock it up. If I heart set in your ass, slap it up. Top round, I look back. Your face don't look like my foot back. Clear off your jaws like me clear off a gift wrap. Say I go on so. Say I move so. Chew your body big. Make ya go on so. In a yummy me a wiggle. You know me love it when you jiggle.
Bergs and sweet like that serious.
Do a little stretch like you do Pilates. Your BBL girl, you do your body. You gon' shot when you do karate. Cocky in your world that casting on me. What can make you turn that way? Fuck girl, done some baby. Pump get wet some papers.
I been your back like a so. A good man, back a yo. And me a chuck you like a maca when you take it and you take a me no see no girl but yo. Me want you fi hunch it. Do your back like a camel so. And make me joke you like a maca when you take it and you take a see no girl but yo. Young girl, bend your back, pity up. Sit like camel and kitty up. Jabba, kill it up. More you hunch it. Me want stick hunch. More you hunch it. Sit like your back. Hard back a mouth.
Bless me, baptize me cocky. 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 Bless me, baptize me cocky.
Come say, lick me sick, I need prim stick. Gunman make you miss the appointment, bitch. It's up, lick them love bad bitch. Turk in the whole gang, now you took me a stick. Dance honey, this the whole place, shake it, boom boom, the girl stick on the gunman dick. Baby, you want this? No, me those wild bitch, dog, all like a solution, nobody want me. Leave a pin on your dog, and if you tell you, waiting on the yard. And if you fuck around, the same thing, dog.
Shake that ass, bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Hands on your knees. That was Strawberry. Right now, links, my brother. Come over, come deal with the thing. Cause remember your thing not normal. You hear that? Confetti. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, now next we have to hand it over to the legendary Links. I hear him in the business, so you know we have to give respect or respect due. That is it. Bad for true.
You know the badness going on, my bro. 9X every girl, huh? Yeah. Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to Narcos, the Pitch Black Edition 2024.
Yo, watch out now. It's so easy. Listen, him not the crumbs. No. When I'm saying pop the balloon, hold on. Yo. When him say pop the balloon, you want to pop the balloon and get a girl. And that's him on it. Them you there, the real hook-up man to get a girl. Real girl. Yo, we get one next show, you see? They must do a next show. Yo, and the hook-up man, he hook up the people of here. Yo, if you get hold on, he come like he can't manage Toronto. No, he can't manage it. He can't manage it. Listen, when they talk about pop the balloon, the pop girls, links up. There's a pop the balloon before they done left. Everything going man will love it. We are going to the location. Let me just start. Pop the balloon. I make time. Better this. Back up and back up. December 14th, I want our biggest party. Yo, pick up it done.